Welcome again in your English class. Today we are going to study about spring season through a poem. So first of all, can you tell me that how many seasons do we have in a year? So I think we have 4 main seasons. Out of that 4 seasons, which of the season do you like most? And I think I can guess that most of you may like the spring season the most. Even me too. Even I also like the spring season the most. Why do we like the spring season the most? Because during this season we are having greenery all around. The whole world is full of cheer. The whole world is full of happiness because of greenery, different colored flowers, colorful flowers, blooming flowers in the garden, chirping birds all around. They all are creating the beauty in the season. So the poem which we are going to read about today is telling you about the spring season, and this poem has been written by a child like you, and his name is Sanchit Saluja. He is a budding poet and he has expressed all his feeling regarding the spring season, his thoughts regarding the spring season, his ideas regarding the spring season through a beautiful rhyme which I am going to tell you today. And the name of the rhyme is The Coming of Spring. So in this poem, the little poet, he is expressing his thought that how do we come to know that the spring has arrived. So he is expressing the arrival of spring season in the poem. So first of all, how we come to know about that the spring is here? When the whole world is full of happiness, the whole world is full of cheer, the whole world is enjoying. And if we see all around, there are different kind of flowers which are blooming there. If we peep out of our window, we can see that different flowers are blooming, like rose, lilies, daffodils, marigold. You can see different kind of flowers out of your window. You can see in your garden that there are colorful flowers. You can see that there is green grass. The new grass is also blooming out. They are growing there. The tall bushes also, they are growing new. They all are having the new leaves. They are all blooming there. You can also feel that chirping birds are also there. And the poet also expresses that the sun introduces itself as a serene gold. What do we mean by serene gold? Serene gold means that the sun is spreading its golden, bright, shiny light all over the world. So that was a beautiful poem which was written by Sanchit Saluja. Now we will read out the poem, we will recite the poem, and one by one I will tell you the meaning of that poem. One by one I will tell you the meaning of each line of the poem. Now I would recite the poem and also I would tell you the meaning of each and every line of the poem. So let's begin. How do I know that spring is here? Because the world is full of happiness and cheer. The beautiful roses, lilies and daffodils peep out of everyone's windowsills. The grass starts getting soft and green. The garden makes a very pretty scene. Tall bushes all starts to unfold and introduce the sun's morning serene gold. Now I will tell you the meaning of each line. In the first paragraph, what the poet says, how do I know that spring is here? How do we know that the spring is here? When the whole world is full of happiness and cheer. When there is happiness all around. We can see that there are different kind of roses, lilies and daffodils, different other kind of flowers. They are blooming out in our garden. If we peep out of our windowsills, we can watch all these different colorful flowers outside there. Peep out of everyone's windowsills. Peep out means when we look out from anywhere. And windowsills, here sills mean the edge of the window. If you see that, and when we have the window, we have an edge of that window also. So the grass starts getting soft and green. During this spring season, we have the soft grass all around. There is greenery all around. What does it mean? There is greenery all around. If we see in the garden, the view of the garden, we are having the very pretty scene in our garden. The view of the garden is very beautiful because of the soft green grass, because of colorful flowers. If we see that the tall bushes all starts to unfold. That bushes means tall, that all the small plants which are in our garden, they all start to unfold. Unfold means they are starting to grow. They are blooming again. They are growing up again. So they all are spreading the beauty there. And the sun also introduces the morning. When the morning arrives, when we see that the view of the morning, the sun introduces as a serene gold. Serene gold means that when the sun is spreading its golden light all around. So we can feel that spring is spreading the beauty in the nature. During spring season, the whole nature looks very beautiful. So that was all in the poem. Thank you.